We are going to find the value of x with our understanding of tangent lines. Remember that if we have a line that is tangent to a circle, then we know there's a point of tangency. And we know that if we have a line that intersects that point, then that line will be perpendicular. So if it's perpendicular, this angle automatically is 90. With this in mind, we're going to go ahead and answer number 1. It says assume that the lines appear to be tangent. So they're already telling us that it's a tangent line to circle O. They're also telling us that the center is called O. Now we know that this line is tangent to this line, so it's going to be perpendicular, so that's 90. We know that this line segment, which is the radius, is perpendicular to this line because it's tangent. So we know that we have a 90, we have a 90, and we have a 40-degree angle, and the one that's missing is x. So I know that I have to be doing some adding. So I have x plus 90 plus 90 plus 40 equals, now you know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So what would happen if I form two triangles here? So I know that automatically the sum of these angles and the sum of these angles is 360. And sure enough, the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360. And now we're able to solve for x. So now we're just going to go ahead and solve this equation. We have 90 plus 90, which gives you 180 plus 220. 90 plus 90 gives you 80 plus 40 gives you 220 equals 360. And then all we have to do is subtract 220 from both sides. So you come to find out that that angle, that central angle, is 140 degrees. So now what I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to try it on your own. Go ahead and try number 2. The information they gave us is that this line is tangent to the circle, and so the radius or the diameter measurement or the diameter will be perpendicular. So this is 90 degrees. So we know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So you have x plus 141. I added 90 plus 51 gives you 180 degrees. And then when you subtract 180 minus 141, that's going to give you 39 degrees. So this right here is 39